Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Ryan. This is Auto Detour, and welcome to day 2 of the IMSA Sportscar Weekend. So I'm really excited to share some of this footage with you. I've never been to an event like this, and it was so much fun. I mean, so glad I came. So I have some stuff I want to share with you guys today. They did a lot of test in tunes with some of the fastest cars I've ever seen. You know, they had everything from the Cup Porsches all the way up to the DPI, the prototypes. Some of those prototype cars just seem to defy physics, and you'll see in a couple of these clips here. I don't understand how they go into the corners so fast and come out on the other side in one piece. Unbelievable. Then after those clips, I'm going to show you we were able to take the VIPER out on the track along with the other guys, their cars, the Giulia Quadrifoglio. Then we had a Boxster S out there, and they actually let one of the guys bring his SRT10 Ram out on the track, which is pretty unusual. They said no trucks or SUVs, but they made an exception for the Ram, which was really, really cool and a lot of fun. So I have a clip of that as well. But first, let me roll for you some of the clips from the racing today. So I tried to grab some clips from different parts of the track, from different vantage points. Just cannot believe how close to the track and how much access you have to the entire track. Now, I haven't shown the paddocks, but I'll put a picture of one up here. Normally you can go right up to all the pits, talk to the drivers, but because of the whole COVID thing, you're not able to do that during this trip. Other than that, everything just, you're able to walk right up to the tracks, all the turns. You know, we have golf carts that we run around in. And which helps a lot, because this track's over 4 miles long. Some of the super fast cars, they are lapping this thing in just under 2 minutes. So that's like mind-blowing. I want to show you guys the clip of the parade lap. You'll see the Alpha in front of me, and you'll see the Boxster behind me. wraps up day 2. Tomorrow we're going to be watching, they're going to be doing some qualifying laps and some races. So beautiful sunset tonight. Looking forward to tomorrow, where we get to see them actually, you know, they call that practice today, test and tune, and that's insane. So they're going to be racing tomorrow and doing their qualifying laps. Look at that sunset. So stay tuned for that. Hope you guys are enjoying these, a little bit different video, vlog style. I'll try to show you around the track tomorrow. That should be a lot of fun now that I'm kind of a little better oriented where everything's at. So leave a comment down below if you want to see different portions of the track and different access points and kind of what we get to see. We'll cruise around in the golf cart and check them out. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great night. I'll talk to you next time.